So there are a ton of different sod types when it comes to lawn installation. And some of the key things you have to consider are the microclimate, what you're going to use the lawn for, and also how much water you want to use. One of our favorite go-to lawns is a medallion fescue called Marathon Original or Marathon 1, made by Southland Sod Farms. If you have sufficient sun in the area, I would always recommend Marathon 1. It has a beautiful blade, it is very durable, and it stays green throughout the year. If you have two big pit bulls, for example, that's going to run and play there, you don't want to go with Marathon. They're going to pee on the lawn and it's going to stain and slightly kill parts of your grass. There's another type of sod called St. Augustine that we recommend for bigger dogs, especially when there are more than one dog. St. Augustine goes dormant during the winter, so the green color fades and turns brown for several months, but it is incredibly durable. St. Augustine is, however, not very comfortable to walk on because the blade is super thick. If you want to save water, you can look into some of these newer grass types, such as the Bermuda hybrid or the UC Verde, which we need to special import from Northern California.